We will now show the option 2 method to achieve a finished part from your blank. Select the inside edges you wish to down clamp on. Rule 1 helps you make these selections. See rules. This is a BlokNgrab. This is how you receive BlokNgrab. Customize your BlokNgrab to match the inside part edges you wish to clamp down on. We need to do additional prep to your blank before we can BlokNgrab it. The time to do this is nil. There are 3 process steps and 3 rules to consider. See rules. Undercut at window and holes to finish wall thickness. See rules. Drill through holes to allow actuating wrench to work BlokNgrab. If required, mill away area to clear the block part of BlokNgrab. See Rule 3. That is all that is required to prep your blank for BlokNgrab. Here's an option 2 BlokNgrab fixture. Simple, isn't it? The fixture pockets must locate the part per Rule 5. These 8 pockets inset the BlokNgrabs and provide support around and under the part windows. These are the mounting holes for BlokNgrabs. I suggest using helical inserts only in the center hole of each array. 2 raised islands balance out the BlokNgrabs inside the window locations. BlokNgrabs shown on the fixture before installations. BlokNgrabs installed. Beautiful, isn't it? Blowouts show BlokNgrabs in the up position. Load part into the fixture and over the BlokNgrabs. Always use a torque driver preset to the values listed in specs. Never use a T-handle or palm grip handle. Rule 4 applies here. Let's make chips. We must program around the BlokNgrabs by modeling the BlokNgrabs as raised islands. Your CAD/CAM system will program the toolpath up, down, or around very nicely. The BlokNgrabs are exposed after machining. Blowout shows parts still clamped down. Blowout shows BlokNgrabs loosened per Rule 4. This pair of parts are now machined. That is it. The elements shown will bring profit to your secondary machining operations. You have just seen part to fixture clamping methods never before used. Follow the rules and begin to enjoy all the benefits available when using BlokNgrab. Thank you.